I wish I had a couple of chairs to hurry through the city, but I don't. Let's move back down here and let that brown be the length of the court and y'all can stay more in the shade, okay? Okay. Everybody bring it along.
Grab him.
Yes.
Grab him.
Got him? Keep that one.
Brad! You lost it over there? What is this device?
That's my
No.
new phone I bought.
No, ma'am.
I was just looking. Can I see?
He's just looking.
Can I see?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna hurt it.
Don't push
You
the
break
side
that.
button.
So you got
Don't
your
say it on the
screens,
side of it either.
the screen's all scratched up on it.
I'll put it.
Get your team right over here.
Okay.
Did you?
What
Yeah.
about the other team? Show it. Let's show team. Okay, you're over here.
Got like a hill right there, don't we?
Huh?
Are we doing it this way or this way?
No, we're doing it this way.
This way.
Okay, go here with that. Oh. You took the. You don't come. What's her name? What's your name, dear? Connie.
Hello, y'all.
Come here,
Hey.
Connie.
After I give her the water,
Come on.
what are you doing?
That's Rebecca. Okay.
And you did good.
Is he playing? Okay.
Taking the ball, and I know you want to throw it. Get up.
Hey, stranger.
Hi, how are you doing?
Doing good. Been working that cookout a lot.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you, buddy? In a minute.
Hey, Tony. How you doing, man?
I'm ready. Hey, Tony. Alrighty, now. Steve and Tony, y'all practice just for a second. We fix and split up and make two teams.
Which one?
The other brick.
Hey, sweet boy. Your friend.
Hey, stranger.
Hello.
You know I got a GoPro camera, you know, too. This one, when I'm in the games, I can wear this and it catches everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's got a wide angle lens on it, too.
Well, yeah.
I also got this one, too. It's got a projector on this camera.
I
gotta get out there and play too. Don't forget, I'm gonna get out there and play. I'll be the hind catcher.
Well, hello.
Okay. Look here.
I've had mine for a while.
Look here.
Listen up.
We're fixing to start now. We're going to play 2 5-minute teams.
Been a while since I've seen you.
I've got a coin on my hand. What do you call it?
Head.
It's head. Okay, that's where you started. So they get to throw the Polina. And it's got, right here's the foul line. Now come on up this way a little closer. We're going to stand here and
Sonny, come on.
play one game.
Come on up.
And what we're going to do, bring the 4 red balls out here.
Timmy.
Hey, y'all can't set the sun now, shade.
Who's out here?
I'm going to need help here. My wife can't be here.
His boss not here
Our
today. Get over
older
here.
sister, but her next older sister, 90th birthday today, and her and my daughter's taking her to dinner.
Lunch. There's no dinner.
I did too, they going to the
He calls it black difference last night.
Golden Crown. Golden Crown.
A pet for
Golden
your
Crown.
thing.
A proud. Okay, Rick, start us off. The center line.
You're supposed to be over here. Get over here. Over here.
They bring my little thing. I forgot.
Throw the white ball. Go across the center.
Now to get him this over here.
Gotta go across that mall.
Yeah. I want to go get it to it.
Come get it. Right quick.
Kelly, throw.
I'll be right back.
Damn, throw it.
I don't know. I'm confused.
Get back over this way.
I don't say it. Where you are.
I knew I
I'm
left
this.
it in there.
I missed practice.
Yeah. Where's that
There you
come
go.
from?
Huh?
Where's that from?
I bought it at Walmart. Wear it on your face. When the fan's on, wear it on your face. Keep it from getting hot.
Okay, green, give me a green. Joyce, throw it off. Grab a green ball.
Garner.
Now, close as that white ball
behind
gets
you.
the point.
Yeah.
Hey, Timbo. How you doing,
Okay, a red team throw. There you go. Step up there.
Chris doing red.
That's the one I had.
That's a good throw. Okay, a green.
Beck, grab a ball.
Come on, back.
Your turn.
Okay, come here, lady.
Oh, sorry.
Beck, get that ball.
Sorry, I didn't know you were behind me.
White ball.
Put me one of these things.
Get that white ball.
I know what
Oh.
Hey,
Okay, green's got the point so far.
Red.
Good throw. Who had to throw it
I
on
got my
red?
hair done.
Tell Cody.
Yes, Mr. Hot Dog.
Throw.
I'm talking about everything.
You know what I call her?
Gussie.
Gussie. You know Sarah Edwards? She called her that. Gussie. You know what she called?
Little too far, Kelly.
You know what she called?
You're good,
Next.
Kelly.
Get the point.
You know what Kelly called Sarah?
Connie.
She's on the red team or the green?
Oh, went too far.
She's on this side. I'm not sure.
Hey, you gotta slow down on that ball a little bit. Yeah, you went a little too fast. You gotta slow down with that, and you also a certain way you do it. I've been watching YouTube videos on how to play right.
And that egg is going to put me back. Hello. The thing put
She
me
on the
back.
red or the green?
I know that.
I'm with the white ball. She's on the. Okay, she's on the green. Come here. Just throw it.
Armstrong, you gotta take a little bit off.
Timmy.
Jenny Ryan.
I remember him.
Can you hold the ball till you go? Okay.
All right, man.
Wait.
I just thought that.
It stays on for a little while and then it'll come up here.
It's shorter than me.
Next Saturday in the morning. Go, girl, come help us.
That's definitely good. Get that. How much?
You got a touching problem?
Yeah.
What team you on? You on the red team?
I'm playing with the green balls. So
$8?
Adam too.
what kind of watch you got there?
Okay, I'll tell her I
What kind of watch you got there? You got a watch on your wrist. What kind of watch you got? Is it a smart watch?
Yeah.
Oh, you got an Apple.
Yep.
Those are expensive. You must have got it for Christmas, didn't you?
You gotta throw like the boat, like his bowling. What's that?
You haven't thrown yet, have you?
Mine was the closest.
Here, come up a little bit. You gotta come to this. Right in the middle, right in there. Right there.
So get it closer to the white ball.
Take it off, okay?
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Cause I
There you go. Way you do it.
Does it?
Got to slow down on that bow a little. You know, I've been watching on YouTube a lot. You know,
Through now.
we got 2 points. Mine's over there. You know, that one's there.
No, I was like, you. I had to practice. I'm like, said, Mom, I'm being outside.
Kelly,
Don't.
both y'all throw the ball.
Yes. Yeah.
All y'all throw the ball.
They did. We did.
Hey.
Hey, don't.
Well, how many batteries you got?
Joey,
Can you use two?
stop.
Yeah.
Oh, you got water inside there.
Yeah.
Are you funny about this stuff?
You quit messing his stuff up.
Who's messing with what up?
Hey, you know what I call her? Gussie.
I
Yeah.
got him the bud.
I got the kind you wear around your neck.
Yeah.
I got the colored lights in them.
Yeah.
Those work better than these do.
Eric,
Joey, go.
Yeah.
Kelly Cole,
Yes, dear.
y'all come up here
And
listen
and pay.
and listen.
Yeah. I am listening.
Red's up.
Turn around
You're
out.
the captain. Who's gonna throw?
I'll take Kelly.
Kelly? You gotta pay attention.
Oh, this.
Y'all can talk next week.
You know how to do it. You gotta get some pass.
Every
We
day.
got it there. Y'all ain't gonna get talk
Clean
next
off.
week. Okay. Oh,
Go, Kelly.
we're bringing the white ball.
Roll it.
Oh, hard, girl.
There you go.
Good throw,
Okay,
Kelly.
grab your
Alright,
ball.
now you do that one.
Watch her, Connie, and see what she's doing. Look, you do that.
You're throwing a little hard, Kelly. Sorry.
Green, a green
I'm
team.
talking to him, guys.
Next time, throw a little.
Get it closest to you can.
Ooh, good throw.
There you go. Right at it.
Yeah, yeah.
Good one.
Red,
Point. Oh, the point right there, right there at it.
Connie said, what about me? Then they, Connie said, what about me?
sugar next.
You on the green team? Okay. You gonna go after her?
Okay, Green.
She wanna run? Oh, she's on there.
Oh, you got one?
Go on, get out there.
$8 for the ball.
Oh, you already picked it up off the ground.
Get it close.
Get close to that white ball. Roll it, get close.
I got some at home. Good job.
Almost.
Go get it. Okay.
Just hit the ball.
Okay, Red.
Red pin.
I don't know how to do it.
Hey, that lady's mad.
Yeah, after them.
How you been doing?
Thank
Sorry.
you.
You go after her? Okay.
Oh, cool. You gotta roll it like you're bowling hard.
Like, it's like a little bowling ball.
Yeah,
Don't
red,
you-
red through.
That's all. You're gonna stand where he's standing.
I'm good for all. Hey, look at here.
Knocked it closer.
Good job.
Hey, get her up here a little bit.
Y'all come on, let's go.
Shorter. She's shorter than me.
No, bring her on up.
We're gonna have a special play.
We're gonna buzz.
Well,
No, we ain't. We want them all the way.
Look, throw it hard like you're bowling. There you go. Throw it hard. Hard.
Good throw.
Good throw. Good one.
We're gonna have. They're gonna be competitive. They need to be
Thank you.
competitive.
No.
What?
The water you tell.
Okay, Red. Let's throw it on.
Red's next.
Who has the throw?
Tim,
Timmy had
have you
Timmy
thrown?
gets thrown. Still one of you have to throw.
Go.
Come here,
That
Ted.
way.
That,
Still one of you have to throw because we got five.
It's confusing.
Oh, you dropped it, Alfred.
Not enough.
You did it, Daddy. You done bad. So we need that small red ball for him to throw yet.
Today's Saturday.
He hadn't thrown.
Hard, Timmy.
good job.
That is good.
Good job.
Okay.
Yeah, he did.
He did? Okay.
I didn't have one on the red
Is
team.
there a green ball left?
Yeah, he still has to throw a green ball.
He's got a green ball right here.
Oh, he's got one more.
Yep.
You gotta have one more red.
Eric ain't
Who ain't throwed over here?
I'll go again.
One of y'all have to throw this round.
Let me hold that.
I hold your fan for you.
I know Kelly.
Throw.
You don't. I don't do it.
Get it close. You have to get it close.
Okay, Green hasn't thrown. You got one green.
All the green, is all the green throw? They have.
They're all out there.
Bonnie has.
All the greens throw.
Well, did it? I'm done.
She throw.
Did your daughter throw?
Yeah.
All the things throw?
Yes.
Okay.
You didn't tell my mom about it. You.
What do you want to?
Four, red, zero.
What did it?
Yeah. And look here, you two supposed to be professional. Yeah. You score the coin.
Yeah,
What's wrong? I wish I'd put a belt on it.
What's the?
I wish I'd put a belt on it.
Throw that Polina ball out there as far as you can.
No, it's hit them off.
Woo, wait a minute.
Way out.
Okay.
You're green.
You throw that
No.
way down there, you'll have to throw this hard too. See how far you got it?
Hey, you had to go to hill. That's easy.
Good throw. Okay, Red.
Throw green.
Go, Eric.
I got a clue. You did. You did good.
Don't tell me what
Make sure
you
the red
can
balls
do.
don't hit it.
You're professional. Okay, Green.
Okay,
Go
who's
ahead.
going?
Hey, that thing. That. 4, 3.
That's good throw, Joey.
That was right on it.
Look where Green's going. Okay, Red, give me a red.
Got a point. I got a point for us. See how close mine is?
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna help you try to get it.
Yeah. Oh, a little too far.
Okay,
Come on, get by that ball.
Get that ball right on it. There you go.
You're the back.
Next.
let me tell you something. All you done, you just pick the
I
ball
don't
up.
know.
Get right here and look.
So do we hold it too.
Hold him, show it.
Throw her ball back again.
Where?
I'm gonna give her that.
Throw the ball at me.
Eric, stop it.
You got the point, so you don't really don't